Dave, I don't know you as a clash artist, bro. I know you as a conscious artist. Stamzy, leave Chip alone. Leave Chip alone. You see me? Leave Chip alone. Chip is Senegal prison, brother. Chip will make you try come at him physically, brother. And you're going to end up lose. Because Chip not going to inform for you, you know. Chip are going to run rings around you, brother. And it's going to make you do stupid things, brother. Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming with another reaction. Today we're here, we're back. Chip. Clash? Is that if that question mark? Clash? Like, what? Where is it? Clash? Eh? Oh, alright. That's what Chip said. Like I said, let's go. Let's fucking go, dog. Let's go. I know it's a Chip. I got answer some things with them saying that it. So hopefully Chip can clear up some of the bars and when we missed the last one. So hopefully, let's go.
Everyone raps but said they don't battle rap. Any little funny chat, Chippy ain't having that. Yo, where the money at? I'll be in my money bag. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today.
My dress. Yo! You know this song? Dave have a bar where him say 16 bars don't clash. And him say something about battle rap. So that's what I'm talking about. And that's what I'm talking about. He's speaking about Dave right there, so. Right there and then.
Yeah, man get the pepper, sky that dweller. Me, I'm a real good fella. Just minding my business, stop that, I'll stop this. Fuck all the watches, watch this.
Fuck all the watches. Fuck all the watches when I'm singing about. Watch this. Fuck all. This is why Chip. Yo, Stamzy, let's leave Chip alone, brother. Leave. The man replying in less than 5 hours, brother.
Air Max or an Air Force One, serving racket, Wimbledon. Rappers get up and pretend they're into tennis. Coconut sober up. Contradictions, stop the cap. You're back.
Oh, for fucking hell, dog. Chip, big up a 7, Chip.
Just get up and pretend they're into tennis. Coconut sober up. Contradictions, stop the cap. You on battle rap, why drop and call it clash? I don't.
Why drop and call it clash? You on battle rap, why drop and call it clash? Why drop a song and call it clash? And that's Dave's song from Dave's project. That's Dave's song. Talk about this Dave too.
Don't care what watch been bust. I was clashing when they were on Daytona's yachty subs. Had them all, but what's that mean? Man got a watch for every day of the week, but
basically, man, I say fuck on a watch. Fuck you and your watch. Your watch mean nothing to me. I have watch too. So what that mean? Fuck you and your watch. Watch this.
they're still watching me about clash. You won't survive, sneaky features, come outside. Can't lie, I can't teach you about drillings, but I'll teach you about grime. Having none, not from one, anyone.
Chip is bored. Chip not nothing for do now. Chip, don't drop him snake and leather already. Chip is bored. Chip not have nothing for do. So if you think you're bad and drop any little sneaky feature, any little sneaky this, Chip I got dead it, bro. Chip will be at your neck, rude boy. Chip gonna be at your neck, rude boy. That's what Chip they said to Stamzy, you know. The Bugsy, you know.
Everyone, let him indirect on your song. Holding two, all from bitches. Bet they sleep in thongs. You know, savage, Fenty ones.
The man a shoot after Dave. The man a shoot Dave right in them throat. Yes, sir. You know, so Dave get shot. Yes, sir. You see? That's how Dave get shot. Them windpipe.
Holding two, all from bitches. Bet they sleep in thongs. You know, savage, Fenty ones.
I better sleep in a thong. You know, Savage, Fenty. Oh my fucking God.
See chip when I come through savage, bitch, it's more like 21. At speed, 3, 2, 1.
When him come through in Savage like 21, Savage 21, 21 Savage.
Then repeat. Guess that means more than one, more than two, more than fun. 2018, they want to increase, stop and search, cause black kids dying ain't fun.
Oh my God. Why don't go wake up Chip for? Why don't go drop a sneak in this for a Chip for? Why? Just leave Chip alone, dog. Like, just leave him alone. Just leave him. Just ignore Chip, dog. Stamzy and Dave, just ignore Chip. Don't answer. I beg you, don't answer. Don't just ignore the man, brother. Just ignore him, dog. Just ignore him because if let me be real with you now, I'm telling you this. Dave, I don't know you as a clash artist, bro. You know you're a conscious artist. Stamzy, leave Chip alone. Leave Chip alone. You see me? Leave Chip alone. Chip is Senegal prison, brother. Chip will make you try come at him physically, brother. And you're going to end up lose. Because Chip not going to inform for you, you know. Chip are going to run rings around you, brother. And it's going to make you do stupid things, brother. Stamzy, big man thing, you're not ready for Chip, brother. Pan the clashing thing, bro. I'm telling the truth, fam. You're not ready for him, brother. You're not ready for him. Leave him alone, dog. Chip will make you try do crazy things and make you do crazy things and go to prison, brother. Leave Chip alone, dog. Leave Chip alone.
Ooh, now it's zombies and ride-outs. Guess it's 2021. Plus, I live in his head rent-free. So miss me with the bailiff ones. Dum-dum, knocking at your forehead from the inside. It's me, you can hold...
Me telling you that Chip is selling the prison, huh? Don't me tell you a while ago. You're deaf.
Rent free, so miss me with the bailiff ones. Dum dum, knocking at your forehead from the inside. It's me, you can hold this, son. Put these.
Oh my God. Me hear something about bailiff in that. Me never get it. Chips. This is why Chip. Yo. Oh, it's gonna be a hot summer, dog. A hot blood clot summer.
Spitters, all in check. All you hear is disrespect. Indirects. What for me? Don't insult my intellect.
Me can't stop. Oh my God. Yo, I'm fucking. Yo.
Intercept, interject, into grime, intersects, into dubs, into sense. They use grime, then neglect.
Them use grime, then them neglect it. Them Chip is firing at Dave. Like, alright. This is how Chip say things now. If an innocent artist when I have nothing to do with the beef collab with Stamzy and Stamzy send a shot, Chip a got answer and this the two on no. So artists that's planning to do collabs with Stamzy, make sure Stamzy not put nothing sneaky in them verse, cause you gotta have Chip on your neck, rude boy. I'm here telling that. No one Chip on the neck, brother. Chip now have nothing to do right now. Clubs them lock. Shows not keep no way. Chip them here chill out. I watch YouTube video. Chip them here chill out. Chip not nothing to do, brother. Chip will want going to the studio go murder someone. So better not leave Chip alone, dog. Leave, brother. Stamzy, if you go clash it, just do it outright by yourself. Don't involve nobody, brother. Don't involve nobody.
Been ready, I've been heavy, I've been steady. I love heady about shelling. I've been shelly since back when Tinchy was with Benny.
Oh my fucking God. I'm a cheer seat now.
Been steady, I love heady about shelling. I've been shelly since back when Tinchy was with Benny.
I've been shelly since back when Tinchy was with Benny. Want some water? My dress is frying. Want water?
Hits, this is a hit. I had hits when you were kids. I've had hits since you're big. Hangman, Bumba Lyrical Lynch. Why you rapping?
Bumba Lyrical Lynch. Can I just say this? Chip is the cartel of grime. Chip is the vibes cartel of grime. For those who know cartel and listen to cartel music, I don't know why I said that.
Think about zombie knife, stop the lies. Bear cat man, they're living nice. Zombie guys, close spitters when I zombie slide about Aston. You niggas ain't got my drive. Everyone raps, but said they don't battle rap. Any little funny chat, chippy ain't having that.
Dave, you make a funny talk about battle rap. You never have to do that. You are more lyrical and more talented. Unless you want beef with Chip, you should never say nothing about battle rap, because Chip do that.
Yo, with the money, yeah, I'll be in my money bag. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Yeah, man, get the pepper, sky that dweller. Me, I'm a real good fella.
I just looked at my time. I got time today for the fuckery. I have time for the fuckery today. So if you don't want the fuckery, bring it. Chip was waiting for that one. That. Look like somebody get Chip's the heads up before the song drop. And Chip was right for it. No, that not possible. That not possible. Because Chip never hear what them and I'm going to say. My blood clot.
Just minding my business. Stop that, I'll stop this. Fuck all the watches. Watch this. Timeless.
You're the beat, dog. Oh my god. And the timeless slang when you use is Vybz Kartel slang. Timeless. Up to the time. You know, it's Vybz Kartel. A Kartel slang. Timeless. Yeah, me know why you no more. Me know why you no more. Me know why you not ready. Me know why you nothing else. It hurt me. It hurt me. Guys, me I got end the video right now. So, no, listen. Stamzy, let me tell you this before me go. If you got clash chip by yourself. Don't go up on no feature and involve nobody in this warrior, brother. Cause Chip you're gonna make Chip have a countless amount of people him send shots after when I need to be in it. Dave never needs to be involved in another one. Dave a good youth. Dave got a good school. Dave mother send him got a good school. Big up Dave mommy. Dave mommy send him got a good school. Dave is a conscious youth. Dave not up on the war thing. And see it now, wanna make Chip this Dave too. Stamzy, fight your battle in myself, my fam. Don't go for nobody. I don't do no feature with nobody. And boy, you send no shots, brother. Cause just one person in the music business now you have problem with, and it's Chip. So anything you say, even if it's not for Chip, the whole world is gonna say it's for Chip. So leave other people out of it and fight your own battle, brother. Cause you gonna cause problem for other people, my G. Real talk. Guys, I'm gonna end that one here. I'm gone. Look at more, dog. Look at more.